I'm the same as what you did. I already know. I had to go and find out from them. So tell me, how's it feel?
Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I'm so excited for today's video. It's a first impressions with the new Beaute Flair palette. I saw this online and I had a heart attack. A few of you guys even sent it to me asking if I was getting it, and I was like, yeah, that's literally me in a palette. It's so pretty. If you can hear the truck that's backing up outside, I apologize, but it's doing it forever, so I can't wait any longer. But I was chatting with my friend Anya, or Pink Sweets here on YouTube, and she ordered the palette the same day I did, and I asked her if she wanted to just do the first impressions with me as a collab, and she was super down, and I'm so excited to be doing that with her. I will have her channel and video linked down below. You need to check her out and give her some love. She is super, super sweet. One of the kindest people I've ever come in contact with. She does lots of reviews, first impressions, tutorials, get ready with me's, collabs. She does a lot of videos and she makes a lot of content. I think she uploads almost every day, if not every day. So thank you, Anya, for collabing with me. I'm really excited to be doing this with you. But anyways, let's look at the palette. It's so pretty, guys. You are gonna have a heart attack just like I did. Do you see this? It's everything that I want in a palette. Literally, it's so pretty. It's so bright, but also grungy, and it's literally me in a palette. I can't get enough of it. This is $38.99. You get 15 shades. That breaks down to $2.60 per eyeshadow, which I think is a pretty good deal. I love Beaute's formula so much. They're quickly becoming one of my favorite brands. I love the Paradise collection, and I'm sure I'm gonna love this one. I have very high expectations and high hopes. If all goes well, this could be my new favorite palette ever. I literally don't know what look I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna play with as many shades as I can while making a cohesive look, and I will give you my thoughts as I go, and then at the end of the video, I will give you my final thoughts and let you know how I feel just based off first impressions. So I guess let's just move on in and get started. There are so many options. I'm so excited to just dive into this, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I think I wanna start with Moss right here. I'm just gonna kind of tuck that on the inner corner of my crease area. I have my eyes primed with the Smashbox lid primer, and it's not set. I like my base a little tacky. Ooh, that's so pretty. I'm just heavily blending it in this area. Now I wanna take Atlantis right here. I'm just taking that on a similar blending brush, and I'm just gonna work that through the center of my crease. These are depositing and blending into each other so easily. I'm barely working at this. Wow, it's lovely. Now I'm gonna take Aubergine, I think that's how you say that word, and I'm taking that also on a blending brush. Dipping into Atlantis again just a little bit, just to add a little more blue into the equation. And a little bit more Moss, and just a teeny bit more Aubergine. I'm taking more Aubergine and I'm just really packing that on the lower lash line in the outer corner. Sorry I'm not talking much, I'm in the zone right now. Having a lot of fun with this palette so far. I guess as you're seeing this video, it's the day before Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve. So what are you guys doing if you celebrate? Now I'm going to take Saffron right here because I absolutely have to use that shade. And I just have a really random Urban Decay brush. And I'm just gonna smudge that in this front half of the lower lash line. Wow, that's so bright. I love it. Just going back and forth between Saffron and Aubergine just to help them mesh nice and seamlessly. Now I just want to do a little half cut crease. I just have my Colourpop concealer. And I'm just going to look up so I can see where I need to cut the crease specifically. And then just taking that concealer on a flat brush. And I'm just going to kind of follow that line. Now we're gonna play with some of these beautiful shimmers. I'm gonna start with Mirage right here. And this is just gonna kind of go in the outer corner area where the aubergine shade kind of is. I'm not carrying this shade too far in at all. Wow, that is gorgeous. Holy cow. Dare I say, is this palette better than the Paradise collection? Because it just might be. And now I want to take Bayberry and I guess kind of pack this on the remaining part of the lid actually. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Just going back with a little bit of Mirage just to mesh those together. And now I'm gonna take Sherbet, which I'm probably the most excited about in this whole palette. That's going in my inner corner. Ooh, that's cute. And it like immediately blends into whatever I put it next to. Wow. I'm in love. I'm happily in love. So I'm gonna do the other eye, potentially put on liner, but I'm gonna try not to because I don't wanna cover any of this up, and I'll be back. So this is the full look. I hope you like it. I suddenly have a choker because I realized how naked I looked with that one. I love how this look came out. I'm wearing my Flutter lashes, Selfie lashes, and I didn't do liner. Are you proud? I'm glad I didn't do liner because I think it looks really cute just like this. The lip combo I'm wearing is Jeffree Star's birthday suit with Jouer Cosmetics Funfetti lip topper on top. And I just feel like, Funfetti. I feel like a birthday cake right now. I think it looks so cute. I love these colors on my eyes. I'm gonna be staring at my makeup all day long. I can't wait to wear it to work. So far, I'm really, really into this palette. Obviously, I haven't worn most of the shades yet. I definitely plan on playing with this some more. I'm super into it so far. I didn't have any issues with any of the colors. If anything, I feel like the aubergine shade takes a little bit more finessing just because it's very, very pigmented. But it's not like the other ones aren't pigmented. That one just, if I'm gonna nitpick, it's gonna be aubergine took a little bit more work to blend the way I wanted it to than the other shades, but it still wasn't hard to work with. I really love this color story. I feel like you can create a variety of looks, whether it's a rainbow look, a specific color look, a grungy look, an earthy look. You could even probably do a pretty decent neutral-esque look with these shades here, and it would be really, really pretty. I'm happy I bought it. I'm excited to keep playing with it, and that's about that. What do you guys think? Do you like this look? Do you like this palette? Did you get it? Are you planning on getting it? I want to chat about it. You guys better believe I'm gonna do a 3 looks 1 palette with this in January. I'm already thinking about it in my brain. And don't forget to go check out Anya's channel and her video. She's doing her first impressions on this as well, so you can see her opinions. I'm excited to see what she thinks of this palette. I hope she loves it as much as I do so far. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.